Hi friends, today we will discuss what are the prerequisites for installing Angular CLI. To install Angular CLI, you should have installed Node 6.9.0 or higher, NPM 3 or higher than this. To check the version of Node and NPM that you have on your machine, type this command in command prompt node space dash v. You can get the version of Node. Your Node version is 8.9.1. Then to know the npm version, type npm space dash v. Your npm version is 5.5.1. Okay, you can get the latest version of Node and npm from this link. Okay, click on the correct download link depending on the operating system that you have. Once you have installed all this, run command prompt as an administrator. To install Angular CLI, this is the command. You can use shortcut also, npm i-g at Angular CLI. This is the command used to install Angular CLI in your machine. Here dash g stands for Angular CLI is installing globally in your machine. I installed already Node, npm and Angular CLI. If you have installed Angular CLI, then you may know the version of Angular CLI. For this, type ng space dash v. In my machine, Angular CLI version is 1.6.7. Okay. In our upcoming videos, we will discuss how to create a new Angular project. Thank you for watching this video.